In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Universe app onto your Apple mobile phone or tablet. You'll need to have your Apple ID and your Universe login details to hand for when you come to download the app from the App Store. The first thing to do is log into your Selfcare account at selfcare.thisisuniverse.io and go to Devices. Your Universe account allows you up to 3 instances of the Softphone, including desktop and mobile. Here you can see my fixed phone and my mobile and desktop instances. I'm going to delete this old version from my mobile and press confirm. You'll also need to delete the Universe app from your mobile device. Go to the App Store on your Apple device. Type in Universe Softphone and then select the app. Because I've previously installed the Softphone, I can simply download it. But if it's the first time that you've installed it, then the word get will appear first. You'll need to get the app and then download it. Open the app and log in using your Universe login and password. You'll then get a series of questions. Answer OK or allow to these to allow the Softphone to access your contacts and to send you notifications. When the dial pad appears and the word Universe at the top left is green, the Softphone app is ready to use. In future, simply click on the app on your home screen to make calls. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.